Hello everyone, so I have a new machine here with me. I bought it yesterday. It didn't come with a manual. I know nothing about it. I tried fixing it yesterday, but it was hell for me, so I did some research. I'm going to try to attach all the parts it came with. These are all separate. I also have these tools that it came with. For example, this one, which I don't even know what it's for. Then it also came with two of these. I don't know what it's for. I think when I have a motor, an electric motor, that's when I'll be using these parts. As for now, I don't know, because even when I was doing my research, I didn't come across anything like this. Then I have this one. This is where the bobbin winder is, right here. So I'll be fixing that with you. I'll show you that in a few. And then I'll also be trying to thread the machine, and I'll also be trying to sew and see if it sews well, because I bought it because of its heavy duty. It's better than the manual sewing machine that I had previously. So guys, if you want to see all that, kindly make sure you stay to the very end. I hope you learn a thing or two, and also leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to try and attach the hand wheel. So in here are the parts that I'll use to attach the hand wheel. There's the hand wheel itself, then there's this thing and this other one, and this screwdriver, this screw over here that you can just unscrew, then screw it back. First of all, let me start by oiling these parts because it hasn't been oiled and it's a brand new machine. So I'll oil all the movable parts. Let me just start by attaching the bobbin winder because it will be difficult to attach it later. So I'm going to unscrew these parts. Then I'm going to attach this one. This should face this side. So I'm going to put these screws inside here. Then try this. I'll really tighten them tightly. I'll tighten the screws very tight and add oil over there. Then I'll go to my hand wheel. I'll now attach the hand wheel starting with this one. I'll put it in there. Just insert it there. I'll insert this one over here. These two parts goes on these notches. Then I'm going to close it with this. So I've closed it. I think it should be more tight. So there I have my hand wheel already installed, and I also have the bobbin winder over here. I'm now going to just attach the screw. So that's it. When I do this, the needle moves, the needle bar over here. As you can see, the needle is moving as I also move the hand wheel. So I'm going to put on the thread. So this here is the thread that I'm going to use. I'm using just the one for my manual sewing machine. I haven't changed it. I don't know if it will fit well, but let me just give it a try and see. I'm going to attach the thread to this part and see if it will fit. Yeah, I think the thread is super short, so I'm going to try something else. So guys, I've already put my thread. I have crocheted this because I didn't have the original one, and it works fine, as you can see. So now back to oiling. And guys, forgive me for the background noise. There's construction going on over here. I have no control over that. So for the oiling part, I've already started oiling. I've oiled these parts over here. I've oiled the handle part. Then I've also removed these. Let me show you. I've also removed these parts over here. There are some movable parts in here at the back of the machine. I've already removed and oiled it. So what's remaining is oil the other parts, which we are going to do together. I'm going to attach these on top here. This is so optional, but I'm going to just put it here. It will act as a guide for the threads. I think that's enough over there. So I'll go ahead and oil my machine. I'll put oil on these spaces over here. I don't know if it's the right thing. I'm just oiling whichever hole I come across on the machine at the moment, because I don't know. Up here, I'll also oil these two holes. It goes directly to the movable parts of the machine. I'll also oil in here where there is the spring. In here, there is the spring of the machine, and here where the needle holder passes through. That's enough. Then I'll go to the side and also oil them. I'll oil all the screws. Then in here I'll also oil these movable parts. It's a new machine, so I have to oil very well before starting out. Then there's also this part over here. I'm going to open it up. Then I'll just oil it. And there's a filter in there. I don't want to remove the filter, so I'll just oil it and leave it at that. So that's how I've oiled and assembled my machine. It doesn't produce a lot of noise except for the feet of the lever part, which is moving, but the machine doesn't produce any noise. So I'm going to try if the feed dog is well, that the material can move on its own. And it moves quite well, no problem in it. Let me adjust the stitch. I think it's pretty well. It's pretty good. I can't complain. Yeah, so that's for my machine, and I am so in love with it. I haven't threaded it yet. So this is my well-oiled machine. I've oiled all the parts pretty well. I don't love these rusty things over here, but I'll just wash them out. Everything is super nice, well put. So I think I'm ready to start sewing with my machine. This is the cord that I've crocheted to just make these parts move in peace, and it works well. So yeah, that's it for how I assemble and oil a new Juki TL-82 sewing machine. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.